speed.
Oh yeah, scrub it, boy. Yummy.
Yummy.
What's up? So foggy.
It's not greasy, just dirty. Oh, hell with it. We're gonna start prepping to pull this radiator out, get it out of the way. This hose, dude, it's always gonna fight everything. So you can't be scared to kind of tell it what to do. And it just comes out real easy.
Yeehaw.
They come off pretty easy. You're gonna grab on this top corner.
Yeah.
Okay, and then just focus on popping this side out. Once it's out, just like that, you're gonna want to pull off the turbo, and then it's out, just like that.
Awesome. It's so cute.
It's a small little turbo for sure.
And this is your downpipe right there?
Yep, that's the downpipe. While I'm at it, I think I'm gonna. Oh shit! I'm low on training fluid. Oh, where'd they go? The little dudes. I don't like this. Stupid.
Broke it.
I just need to get this off, and I need to take this off, and then this side's ready for pretty much being taken out. Then we're just gonna have to do that side, and the engine's ready.
Yeah.
Well, we have to pull the starter out and the nuts and bolts, and then we'll be ready. So, yeah.
Yeah. Subaru boy exhaust.
Sick, man. This one's kind of an ass kicker. Lubricated that bitch.
Yummy.
Yeah, case is ready to split. He's right there, dude.
There you go, it's opening. Whoa, shit! That scared the shit out of me. I saw that zoom by my face. I was like, what?
Like, what?
Big boy.
It's a workout, huh?
Yeah. We got it all unhooked.
Yep.
Wow.
Son's divorced. Macaroni gang. Hell no. Nigga, what the?
I'm not a brother, I'm a sister.
Oh, hell, bro. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, sis. Hell.
1873.
Jack this thing up, dude. This ain't gonna be too big of a bitch.
I was gonna ask if you bought any and I forgot last night.
Yeah, I did. It's one hit gasket. Ready to go. Okay.
All of a sudden, that one feels a lot lighter, huh?
Yeah, it really does. Carry it. Just want to come in here just like that.
What is it? Just an aluminum flywheel?
Yeah.
And then you got a 6-puck clutch?
Yeah, a sprung 6-puck clutch.
What's that? Stage 2?
Yeah, no, a stage 3 pressure plate.
Stage 3?
Yeah. This is all a stage 3 clutch plate. We'd roll it out.
What is that?
Throw-out bearing.
Oh, fancy.
Nice throw-out bearing though. Purple power is pretty magical sometimes. Look at that. Be upset. Oh man.
It looks like, what's that brand I've seen?
Do the thing. Now we're ready.
Just a slow.
Yeah, pretty much.
You thought 30 weight was heavy. Is there one right here on at 10 o'clock?
Yeah. We could run one in right now.
Are you shitting me?
We're gonna continue to go at it for another like 10 minutes ish, and then we're gonna head out, get a good break in.
Okay.
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 There you go. Down she goes. There you go.
Chicken nugget.
Just like that. Cool.
What up, maricon?
Get out. Thanks, buddy. This is gonna be a fucking airport.
Yeah.
Sweet. Clutch feels amazing.
Yeah? Oh.
Yeah. Feels amazing.
Yeehaw.
Wow, this thing feels great, dude. Wow, I love it. I
Yeah?
love it, dude. It feels great.
Sweet.
For sure feels different, but you could tell the hood's definitely, I mean the clutch is definitely feeling a lot better. Nice. I like that. Oh yeah, dude, it just like kicks into gear. Like it doesn't feel like it powers down. Like whatever RPM you hold it at, you release it, it's like it stays at that RPM.
Oh, dope.
We'll feel it rip. Yeah, that feels great, dude. That's without the mass airflow connected.
Really?
I'm pretty yeah, dude, because I disconnected it, remember?
Oh, yeah.
So that was a pull with it connected. We're gonna go ahead and slap on the e-brake. Well, I'm gonna plug it in really quick,
Okay.
and then we're gonna let